Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
What's up everyone? स्वागत है आप सभी का आज के इस amazing episode में. My name is Arpit. Welcome to Tube for You. Today we'll be discussing about something which is very important in the stock market. See, you can very well understand that there are a lot of technical words in the stock market. Not many people, especially the common man, a no voice, an amateur who enters into the stock market is not familiar with these type of technical jargons, if I may put it like that. So the whole point of me making this video is explaining to the most basics that what exactly is this, what exactly is that, so that you, my dear friend, the new trader, the new investor in the stock market gets a better grip of certain things and can definitely put your money where you might make some more money. Is that right? Okay, so today, as you have seen already the title, I'll be discussing about what is an IPO. Now, IPO is something, this particular word, you must have heard it many times. It is all over the place. What is an IPO? How to invest in an IPO? How does a company release an IPO? There are a lot of other things going on. So let me bring down the bare basics and explain it to you what exactly is an IPO and how you can understand it much better watching this video. Okay guys, so we begin with what is an IPO. Now let me give you the full form of IPO. We all know that it's initial public offering. Now what is this initial public offering? मैं आप लोग को एक छोटी सी स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ. Okay, it is always a better, more intuitive way to make a video where I give you a small context about what exactly the thing is. So चलिए हम स्टोरी सुनते हैं, ठीक है? The story goes as simple. You, my dear friend, has an idea. आपके पास एक brilliant idea आ जाता है and you feel okay, if I start making this particular product or if I implement my idea, I will become rich. I will become successful and I will be known across the world because you have got a fantastic idea. Now what do? You sit down with your friends, you discuss this idea. Some of your friends might mock you, but some of your friends who really trust you, who have faith in your idea, would invest in your idea. Now be with me, okay? They'll be investing in your idea. They'll be putting in some money, they'll be gathering some funds, and then you have the small seed capital where you start your company. As you keep on growing, things start to get better. But again, the more you grow, the more funds you require. So what happens next? You go and take a loan from a bank. You go to the bank, you make them understand, okay boss, this is what I'm doing. I've been doing this for so many years and I would love to expand it further. I would require a loan from you. Now after seeing your balance sheets, after seeing the way of work that you have been doing, your actual graphs, how they're going up, the bank would invest in your idea, okay? The bank would invest in your idea. Now once they do it, now you have got another big capital. You start further working, God bless you, you're growing even faster. Now you have run out of that capital as well. Now you need more money. What you will do? You will think of taking your company public. Now that is a landmark thing in someone's life. Now trust me, imagine you are an owner of a private limited firm where this particular thing is online. The entire world can participate and buy stocks from your company. So what exactly is this? How this happens? So once you run out of your loan money, what you do is you go to a venture capitalist. Now these people, these big guys, these investment bankers, these venture capitalists, they basically fuel the fire. They have so much of money lying around and they're looking out for fantastic ideas to invest. Now you, my dear friend, already have a fantastic idea and you have proven yourself successful because you have been working for so many years and you have been growing and growing and growing. So what you do is you pitch your idea to a venture capitalist. Now they find it interesting. So that is great for you. So once they find it interesting, they start the book building process. Now, what is this book building process? They go on and pitch your idea to others so that they get in more funds and they start making up this particular thing that okay, You have been marketed across the spectrum on every digital media, even cable TV. Your advertisements start popping up. So for a common person who does not know who you are, they get to know who you are. They start to analyzing, okay fine, this particular man has an idea, he has a product which is revolutionary and they would like to buy it. So now they are not just an end user of yours, they want to invest money in your company. So what happens is, over a period of say about 3 months or 6 months, depending on what exactly is your plan, the venture capitalists start making this particular book. They start getting an orders. They started, okay fine, I'll take your stock at 200 rupees, I'll take your stock at 220 rupees, I'll take your stock at 240 rupees. So they start gathering curiosity and they start getting some orders. Okay fine, this particular company is ready to buy, this particular mutual fund house is ready to buy. So what happens is, you understand your value. You understand, okay, I'll be like, people are ready to put in their money in my company, in my idea that I started a while back. So what happens next is, IPO date comes in. You officially announce, okay fine, I am putting up an IPO, initial public offering. I'll be putting in about 20 million shares, 50 million shares for the public to buy. And how this thing happens is, the venture capitalist and your promotional bank, the investment banker, these guys come together, they sit down with you obviously, and then they discuss on a fixed price. That okay, this would be the price band. Say for example, 280 rupees to 320 rupees. This would be the price band. So in this particular price band, your shares are allotted in the market. What you do on the day of the IPO opens, you just simply sit down and see how people start buying. People start applying in your IPO. You're a common man, a person who just opens an account, a trading account with any broker, starts buying your IPO. Once your IPO is sold out, there is news across the globe. Like there is news, okay, this particular company, 100% IPO is sold, 200% IPO is sold. Like 2 times people have subscribed to your IPO. That is what it is. Once the IPO is bought in, subscribed, it takes a week or so the company goes public. You can actually start trading on the terminal. Your stock gets listed in the stock exchange. Once that happens is, on that day, 9:15, you go to the exchange, you ring the bell, the opening bell. That is amazing. That feeling is something that like very few people have got this, and that is an amazing feeling, my dear friend, trust me. So the company is now public. You can start trading the stock. People start buying the shares. It's basically buying equity. Now, I have made you understand like what exactly is an IPO and how the IPO comes to fruition. Now, what exactly is an IPO, and as an investor or as a trader, how can you buy it? There are many ways to do so. There's an ASBA. ASBA is the most secure way. Nowadays, they have started as UPI as well, where you don't need those printed forms. You can just put in your UPI ID and voila, you have subscribed. More importantly, IPO subscription is very, very important, because that is one point in company where if the company is really, really awesome, you can literally make tons and tons of money. For example, a person who invested in Wipro, when Wipro released their IPO, and a person who invested about 10,000 rupees, he is worth crores today. Hundreds of crores today if he has not sold that stock. So the whole point of an IPO is to buy it in the initial time, the initial public offering. पहली बार जब कंपनी अपना शेयर आम पब्लिक के लिए रिलीज करती है ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए, that is the IPO. Now, being part of angel broking has its perks. The angel broking trading application is one of the simplest out there. It is meant for you. It has got fantastic algorithms where the it's basically the robotic thing that predicts you. It gives you constant calls, it gives you constant recommendations on how exactly the trading is and what stocks you can pick and what stocks would be beneficial for you. It also got an IPO section. Wherever an IPO pops up, it informs you so that you can subscribe it from there itself. That is the wonder of the Angel Broking app. So you can download the Angel Broking app from the App Store and the Play Store. It is available for free. Open a free trading account. The description is in the link below. Make sure to check that out. It takes just 5 minutes for you to open an account. All you need is your PAN card and your Aadhaar card details, and voila, you're good to go. More importantly, it is absolutely secure. It is like the best form of security that is possible, and you're trading with a registered broker. And what more better than Angel Broking? So dear friends, this was the video. Really hope that I was able to solve certain queries of yours regarding IPO. Stay tuned for more because इस तरीके के वीडियोस में और भी ज़्यादा लेकर आने वाला हूँ आप लोग के लिए in depth about the stock market, because आप सबको पता है कि I too deal in the stock exchange and I'm a stock broker. So the whole point of me making these informational videos for you all is so that you, my dear friend, become an informed investor and an awesome trader. So, my dear friends, with this, I bid goodbye for today's episode. I really hope that you loved it. All the links are in the description below. Make sure you check them out. The account opening is there. Everything is there. More importantly, like, share and subscribe. If you love this video, hit that like button. If you love it even further, make sure you share it to your friends and family. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you so much. This is Arpit Handa signing off from another episode of Tube for You, and I'll be seeing you soon with some more awesome episodes in the future to come. So take good care of yourself and always remember that I love you all. Bye bye.